guys, today we're gonna be doing another video, and now we're playing Build a Boat for treasure. Oh wait, don't wanna. Okay. Oh no, I am so bad. I'm gonna make a tiny little boat. Smiles. Look at this chest. It's very ginormous. Look at it. It is ginormous. Let's take that out. Because we don't want it. Let's take one of these. So lagging. Sorry for not uploading in such a long time. I'm a noob. Ooh. Anyways, we're making a plebby boat. I don't have good building skills. Because I'm a noob. Alright, now. It's 9. I am recording by myself. Because it's the best. It's the best. It's the best. It's the best. Okay, let's put in a piece block. Because why not? Why not? Oh no, that's placed wrong. I've been playing this game for a lot. It's fun. And I want to play it. So now let's put a chair. You put this chair. I could also put a throne, but I don't want to. So I'm just gonna put this plebby chair. It's the best. Let's go in my castle. Okay, yes. Wait, I didn't even choose what team I was. Whatever. I don't even know what. I think I'm red. Maybe, I don't know. Someone's got. Maybe carrots, but you do. So, the reason I haven't been uploading lately is because I'm enjoying myself since I have summer, but I'm going back to school on Monday, so yeah. That's going to be the reason why I'm not uploading much. And also, I was in summer break, so I was enjoying myself, doing my own things, you know. And so that's why I wasn't uploading, and I also like do other stuff. And yeah, I don't upload much anymore. But I promise I will try to upload more than I do. So I promise I will upload more. Hopefully. And don't be a lazy potato. I am a lazy potato. Hey. That's me. That's also me. I am a potato. I'm also I don't know what to say, to be honest. This boat is not breaking, but it will break, don't worry. I don't know what team I am. Might be red. I don't know. I don't know. You want to comment down below? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Comment down below what do you call it? Comment down below what games I should play or try, cause I'm running out of video ideas. So if you wanna do, it can be a Roblox game. It could be in Minecraft. It could be in other games. I don't know. Comment down below, please, and subscribe. Subscribe if you like my content, or I don't know. Also, make sure to subscribe to PewDiePie for original content. Now, we shall run. I'm just kidding. Our castle is making it. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's making it 44. We just went to get my uniforms and it was absolute trash. I have to wear skirts. And I hate skirts. I don't like them. Why am I talking about my life? I don't know. Oh, my boat is breaking. Somebody fix my boat, please. Okay. So, I want to upload more for you guys, my 7 subscribers. I am a noob. But who cares I'm a noob because noobs are amazing. Yay. We're gonna make it through the. Let's talk about more things. Okay. Oh no. I don't want to fly, please. Okay, there. Well, I'm flying. Oh, I just came back. Let me fly. Subscribe, hit the notifications, like the video, and yeah. Okay, let's go with the game. So my boat is gonna break because it's upside down right now. There's no hope. I am having a hard time. Oh no. Where are the bombs at? Where are they at? Oh, there they are. There they are. I died. I got 45 gold. Nice. That made it pretty far. I am red team. Okay. That's nice. That's just beautiful. Wait, still beautiful. And I have my, what do you call it? My volume down because I don't want to get copyright strike or whatever. Yeah. So, let's make a bigger castle. So why not? Pineapple, what are you doing for this pool? Don't worry about me saying this. I am a Crew fan. Okay. My name is my favorite YouTuber. And that's what I used to name myself, though. Yeah. I'm a noob. So, let's rebuild this. No! Cat Ninja! Go away! No! How can this happen? Oh my gosh. No. I shouldn't have said that. I might get copyrighted now. But. I'm still Gucci, so. Maybe, I don't know. Let's go do some more buildings. Oof. Yes. After this, I'm just gonna change. Sure. Okay. So now wait the fridge out because I am now leaving. Okay, Cat Ninja. I am your queen. I'll put a chair and troll this letter. Let's troll her. She's just standing there. Let's go see what she is. He's just standing there. Why did you take my friend away from me? I'm just kidding. So now you have to wait, Cat Ninja, because I'm gonna go. Goodbye. I should build walls. Oh no, I have to build this fast. Okay. I have terrible building skills. I'm panicking. Ah, there's too many chairs. Ooh, I want soup now. Oh my gosh, never mind. I want to troll her. Okay, she's coming, and boom! Goodbye! I am so evil. No, get away, go to it. She's trying so hard. You're gonna die. I feel so bad. Goodbye, Kid Ninja. Oh man, I feel so bad for her. Okay, you gotta see trolling. You happy now? That's blue. Yellow's over there, I think. Or there. Yeah, there's yellow's over there because me and my brother used to be in yellow team. And we would always spawn over there. So yeah. That's how I know. And I also messed up at my builds because I'm a noob. I'm gonna dare myself to jump. And there's nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to return back to my throne. I am so dead. Whoa. This is karma. When karma hits hard. Right now, let's just build. Did she leave the game? I feel like she left the game. I'm so sorry. I think, wait, let's check. Oh no, she's still here. I don't think she's in my team though. Wait. Yep, Cat Ninja changed. He changed. He changed. She's like, what? Oh my gosh. Like, you killed me, now I shall leave your team. Okay. Well, let's open the chest. I can only import this. Okay. Noise. Okay. Okay. I'm getting pretty bad stuff. I already have so much of those. I don't need them anymore. I think. I don't know. No, I want a refund. Okay. I wasted my $5. Did it? Oh my gosh, I have 103 now. That is just amazing. Oh no. Oh no. Please. I pulled a question mark. Question mark there. Boom. Let me in a white team. Oh, they won't let him in the white team. Wait, who is this? I will let you. I want to friend you. Please be my friend. Thank you. I don't know if I have max friends. Okay, I'm gonna leave the game right now very quickly and see if I have max friends because I think I did friend someone. So I'm sorry if it's like this right now. Okay, let's go here. It's more faster. It's more faster. Let's see, dudes. Speed bad dudes. PewDiePie. You know what? I don't want to play Roblox anymore. So let's just. I was watching my video that I made a long time ago. So let's just play. How about we just play a bonus game? You know what? Let's play Fun Race because why not? Why not? Why the fridge not? Cringe. My old videos are cringe. I have to say that. And this one is absolute cringe too. I'll tell you guys something. I ate lemons. It's so weird to say, but I ate lemons. It's weird because it's weird. Look at so, dude. Okay, start. Okay, 20 something something. You're obviously way better than me. Somehow. Run! I'm a ninja. Boop boop. Okay. Let's go. Ah! 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 Help! Yay, I did it. Look at me, I'm so beautiful. 2056. Wait, 56? That's not even okay. Beautiful. Ain't, oh my gosh, no. Please, no. 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 Let's play a Bee Factory. It's a pretty fun game. I'm just playing random games now. I am so sorry you're supposed to do a Roblox video, but I'm sorry. I have to level up. Now let's make some tons of monies. I got a bear. I need level 140. I want to upgrade so I can get more monies. Lego. Give me all the monies. Give me all the monies. Give me the monies. Should I upgrade? I'm gonna upgrade it because because why not? Why not? Why the heck not? I am making tons of money. Look at all of these bees. That's the first bee. That's the mix. Yeah. And this is a robot bee. It's a bumblebee. It's a dragon bee. A scarbee or something. I don't know. Zombie. Get it? The zombie bee. Yeah, get it? Okay. Taxi bee. Marbio. It's Mario, but as a bee. Yeah. A butterfly bee. Oh, golden bee. Golden bee, man. 10 out of 10 would buy. Butterfly bee. I think I already said it. The ghost bee, which looks very cool when you tap it. Look at it. Go. I am tired. The chicken bee. The R2B2. Star Wars people probably know what it is, but I don't because I don't watch Star Wars either. And then we have the fly bee. And then we have the hell bee. I know, I don't like it either. And we have the baby. The bee but a baby. And then we have the bull bee. We have the minion bee. The emoji bee, which just looks like an emoji with little wings. The snail bee, which looks like not even a bee, but just a bee. It looks just like a snail. And we have the space bee. It's pretty cool. The zebra bee. Pretty cool. We have the beer. It's a beer with wings. I like it, okay? Have the submarine. That's hard to say, and that's the BR. It's a bear. Oops, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man. I'm sorry. I am a noob. I am a little noob. Oh yeah. Upgrade. Make me all of those monies. Ooh, golden bee. Give me all your money. I am gonna go level up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I am tired. How much charge does my phone? It barely has 11%. Wow. I've been sitting here for hours. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, please no. It's definitely gonna get copyrighted. I don't blame it. Okay, so I'm probably gonna end off here because I'm hungry and I don't know what to do because I'm a noob. So I'm gonna stop the video right now. So thank you for watching my video and thanks for supporting if you subscribe. And I to be honest, I don't know what I'm saying, man. All I want to say is thank you for watching my videos, but I'm probably gonna end it. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna end it. I still love doing this YouTube, so I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and you subscribe and you turn on the notifications on. So I would truly appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm gonna end it right now here. So bye guys. Oh wait, I have to stop it. Well.